Right, I did say I'll be back. I've taken one of those. Let me just see if I can get the other one out. We'll try and make 3 flowers. I like to mix and match things. Let's have a look. So that's 2 of them. Right, I'm not going to waste this, as I never waste anything. Okie dokie, we're going to use that up as well. Right, I'm going to do the base. For the first flower. Okie dokie. So, let's have a look, see how we get on. Okay, so I'm going to do that, I think. I may need my little dauber. So I don't want to burn myself, do I? Okay, that'll do that. I'm going to take my first piece and I'm going to gather it again. I've done the knot in the end. Yeah. Just do a running stitch. I reckon we've got some snow coming, folks. And it's supposed to be bad. Well, everything's going to be worse than what it has been, isn't it? I mean, they want you to see that, but what they don't realise is there's still people alive who remembers it being worse. Well, dear. I showed on my Facebook page, you know, a post that one of my sisters had done where it showed you as kids walking to school in the little short wellies, knee deep in snow, wrapped up. We've always, you know, we're used to that. But kids today don't really see much snow, so they don't think that it's ever been worse. So the minute we get more than a centimetre, it's oh God, everything stands still. And the millennial people, they don't realise that we've had it a lot worse. And if we get a bad winter, so. But there you go. That's what happens in today's society. They try to make you believe that something's worse than it actually is, or that we've never seen it like that. It's a load of rubbish. Load of rubbish. Right. So I'm just going to do it like that. Pop this in the middle, like that. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. Like that. Keep that in the middle. So you've got a little bit of everything that you can see. Now I think that's too big, so I'm going to cut that. I only want a little bit of that frill showing. Okay. That's it. So it's not too much. Now I'm going to take some of the little stamen that I've got here. Let's see if we can get the right ones. These are wired. And because I can put them where I want them, let me just see if I got a couple more. Yeah. There we go. Oops. There we go. I only want a little bunch, you see, so I'm just going to flip that over, twist that, take my pliers and just give that a couple of twists. And you get a little bunch like that. That's fine. That's it. And I'm just going to glue that bit. Pop that in there. I know, a little bit showing like that. You don't need much. I'm not sure I want that. I'm going to do one of these. Is that in? Yeah. Take one of the earrings that I've just cut and push that in like that. And now I'm going to take a pin, and I've got some beautiful beads where I can find the ones that I'm after. Now I'm going to have a contrasting colour. When I say contrasting, a darker colour. So I've got a dark bead with a there's another blue, smaller blue but a lighter blue. I'm going to use a crystal. If I can find my crystals. Where are my crystals? Where are my crystals? Oh, there, but I wanted a coloured crystal, folks. No. Bear with me. I'll have a bead cap or two. So I'm going to do one of those like that. And I want one of the other ones. Two of those. And we'll just have to put a roundel on it. Now, I don't know what's happened to my crystals. I've got a large tub of crystals somewhere. Let's see if we've got a blue one. No, but I do want something to stand out. So I'm going to use a large one. That's the roundel. I found my clear crystals, but I haven't found my... Now, where are they? I've got a jar full of crystals. Okay, so we're going to start this off. Large bead cap. Pearl. One of Joey's hairs. Don't want one of those in, thank you. Again, large bead cap. Crystal roundel, lighter bead, and a little bead cap that will sit perfectly on there, and that's it. That's all you need. So I'm just going to glue this in place. That's it. Just do that with it. Not pretty. Doesn't take much. We're going to pop that in that space there. See how you can just alter it. Now, I do have, I think, somewhere, I'll be back in a minute. Hang on, because I've got a feather. Right, I don't have a blue, but I've got like a slate blue. And I did find the tassel. this one. So I'm just going to snip that off, and I'm going to use that one, and I'm going to put that under there. So just slot that into place like that. Just glue on top, and that'll glue that down. Just makes a difference if you've got something. And I found this gorgeous, like a slate blue feather. And I'm just going to pack that, I think, behind here. So I'm going to put that one in first, like that. That's it. And I'm just going to pack that little one on top, like that. And then pack that one down, like that. And that's perfect. Just using a few bits here and a few bits there. Nice little flower with a tassel. So I hope that's helpful. Let me just see about this one. I'm going to take that one off, I think. Yeah. We don't waste the beads, we'll use them somewhere else. I don't know what happened to that, but it come off. Right, I'm just going to stick that one back up. So get hold of that and push that back up there. That's it, like that. That's it. So that's another one. That's it. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.